Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the collision effect to your video in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the video to the track that I want to edit and select animation right here and then select in animation and you can find the collision. Just download it. Alright, this is Pro effect. You have to join Properties to be able to use this effect. So after you download it, you can add to the tray. But it is yeah, it takes a long time. Alright, select collision. You can adjust position. Right. Here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. Yeah, so basically I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer your question and see you on the next video.